Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Experts project a bullish pattern for especially Spell token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.114 mark in an essentially large manner. The truly current market cost of one truly Spell pretty token fundamentally is $0.16 in a kind of significant manner. The cost of one basically Spell would for the most part reach as sort of high as $0.673 by 2030 in a very large manner. The negative cost expectation for by and large Spell kind of token Spell in 2040 especially is $3.47, with the for the most part likely kind of high of $4.10. Long haul investigation recommends that truly Spell in every practical sense, token cost might actually flood to $4.72 by 2050, with an essentially expected range somewhere in the range of $4.46 and $5.24. Starting around 01 WAP 2024, certainly Spell truly token generally is exchanging at $-16 in term of its OST rate, with a value change of 244% in every way that really matters, most recent 60 minutes, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell certainly has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $166,705,944 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $297,097,297, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. This by and large makes sort of Spell kind of token Spell beautiful positioning at 325 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Spell genuinely token cost expectation end of 2024, what will in every practical sense Spell sort of token especially be somewhat worth in 2024, which truly is genuinely huge? Is truly Spell pretty token a wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024, or so they thought? Will Spell cost explicitly outperform its unequaled genuinely high in an unobtrusive manner? These certainly are our generally Spell token cost expectations for Spell's future amazingly. Spell truly token Spell value expectation 2024 as per the Spell in every practical sense, token figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Spell cost is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $0.16, the normal least value worth of explicitly Spell all things considered, token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to sort of be $0.16, showing how the negative cost forecast for really Spell most certainly token Spell in 2040 sort of is $3.47, with an essentially likely most certainly high of $4.10 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, in a real sense, Spell can arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.19, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell kind of token Spell value gauge February 2024. The Spell really token Spell cost for February 2024 may basically arrive at a very least worth of $911, while the exceptionally greatest gauge cost generally is around $912 in an extremely enormous manner. The fundamentally normal cost for basically Spell for the most part is somewhat anticipated to basically reach $912 in February 2024 in a by and large significant manner. Spell value gauge Walk 2024. In Walk 2024 the cost of generally Spell pretty symbolic sort of is gauged to basically be at around a truly least worth of $12 in a truly significant manner. The Spell certainly token value worth can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $913 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $12 in USD. Spell value conjecture April 2024. With respect to April 2024, especially Spell genuinely token generally is supposed to in a real sense arrive at an extremely least value worth of $0.12 in an unobtrusive manner. The Spell cost could basically arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $913 with a by and large normal cost around $0.12 in a huge manner. Spell value estimate May 2024. The Spell truly token conjecture for May 2024 expects that the Spell may generally arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.14 with a base cost of around $0.12, or so they thought. Discussing the fundamentally normal cost in a real sense, Spell can in every way that really matters stretch around $0.13 for May, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Spell in every way that really Matters token spell value figure June 2024. The spell truly token spell cost for June 2024 may truly arrive at a sort of least worth of $113, while the truly greatest gauge cost basically is around $114, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally normal cost for really spell especially is truly anticipated to generally reach $113 in June 2024 in an unpretentious way. Spell commonly token spell value conjecture July 2024. The spell truly token spell cost for July 2024 may truly arrive at a very least worth of $114, while the for the most part greatest determined value sort of is around $115, which by and large is very huge. The sort of typical cost for most certainly spell sort of is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach $114 in July 2024. Spell extremely token value figure August 2024. The kind of normal cost of explicitly spell exceptionally token spell could especially go to $114 toward August 2024 in a huge manner's end. Spell could be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.16 with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.14, showing how long-haul investigation recommends that for the most part spell certainly token cost might actually flood to $4.72 by 2050, with a kind of likely reach somewhere in the range of $4.46 and $5.24, or so they in every practical sense thought. Spell commonly token spell value gauge September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of basically spell truly token generally is in a real sense anticipated to in a real sense arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.15, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.16 and an all things considered least of $0.14, which sort of is genuinely critical. Spell pretty token spell value expectation October 2024. With respect to October 2024, truly spell truly token cost truly is estimate to truly arrive at a most minimal cost of $0.15 in a by and large huge manner. The spell cost could arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.17 with the especially normal expected cost around $0.15 in a quite large manner. Spell value estimate November 2024. The spell pretty symbolic figure for November 2024 expects that the spell may basically arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.18. With a genuinely least cost of around $0.15, showing how these essentially are our generally spell genuinely token cost expectations for spell's future in a sort of huge manner. Discussing the really normal cost fundamentally spell can in a real sense stretch around $1.16 for November, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell value conjecture December 2024. With respect to December 2024, explicitly spell sort of token in a real sense is supposed to truly arrive at a really least value worth of $0.16 in an especially significant manner. The spell cost could really arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.19 with the sort of typical cost around $0.16. By and large further appearance how experts project a bullish